Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share you what is Amazon Choice badge that you will be getting on Amazon customer portal, how you can acquire that particular badge, and if you're an Amazon seller, what are the things that you should compulsorily know about this badge. Hey everyone, I am Niveda Muralidhan here, founder of Newton Max and Niveda EA Academy. I've trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce business and I've helped several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales. So let me share my screen and get into the video. I'm going to use the keyword pillow here and search pillow on Amazon. If I search this particular product, see you'll be having lot of tags here, bestseller tags, etc. So I'm going to open this particular product called Recron product. Okay, there is no Amazon choice tag. Please note that. I'm going to open up this particular product. If I come to this particular product detail page, I get an Amazon choice tag. And there is something called for Amazon choice for this particular keyword. So let me open up this keyword on another tab. I repeat, I searched here as pillow and I got results. I'm searching here as pillow 18 into 27 set of 2. I got results. In this result page, if I see the Amazon choice tag will be there for Recron. Whereas in this page, the choice tag will not be there. Meaning, Amazon choice tag will not appear all through the website for all the keywords and everywhere. It is keyword specific. This is what many people don't know because they think that Amazon choice tag is there, it will be shown everywhere. Because whenever I ask my students to do product research, they'll come with a question like, Niveda, Amazon choice tag is there for this particular product. Can I go with this product? I will be like, no, go with the product. Even if Amazon choice tag is there, don't worry about it. Because it's not for all the places, it's only specific for certain keywords. This you should definitely know if you're an Amazon seller. So now, meaning for pillow, this product is not having Amazon choice tag. But whenever someone is searching for this particular keyword, pillow 18 to 27 set of 2, this choice tag is given. How this choice tag is determined generally. Whenever you are sending the products to FBA, there is a high probability to get this tag. Along with that, you should make sure that you are having a proper page with a proper title, images, description. A plus catalog is preferred like this, bullet points, and also good pricing and good quality. So, as soon as you send a product to FBA, let's have it that we have launched a new product, we have sent the product to FBA, and we are working out on reviews, and we have all the product detail page properly. Now, our pricing is also good. People will start placing the orders, and slowly we'll be getting this Amazon choice tag. What is the benefit of this tag? Let me speak very on a honest ground, especially for new sellers. If you're a new seller who have launched a new product and if you're sending to FBA, you worked on 2 to 3 reviews and people have started placing the orders through organic and also through paid advertisement. If you have this tag, definitely you'll be getting one order per day. Worst case, I'm saying. This tag has that particular power like one order per day because somewhere or the other you are ranking for this particular keyword. It's not like ranking, but it's specific badge that is given to you. It's like bestseller tag only, but it's a different badge. So once you get this choice badge, there are chances, even in the worst case, even if your ads are not performing good, you'll be getting one order minimum. This is what I have noticed. But in case your return ratio is increased, this tag will be removed from your listing. And this tag is given for the most apt keyword that your products relate. Meaning, consider someone is searching for pillow and they go to another product buy end up in sales. There are chances that many people have searched for this particular keyword. Finally, they searched multiple products and many people clicked on this Recron brand and they ended up in sales. So Amazon algorithm will work like this, like what keyword people are searching, what are they clicking. After clicking, are they adding this particular product to cart and they are making a sales. If this particular keyword is giving them sales, it means yes, this product is more relevant for the keyword. This is the reason I always say, like, make sure that you are add only relevant keyword to your product listing. Now, here, for example, it's 17 into 27 inch. People search for 18 into 27 set pack of two. Now it's more relevant. If I'm searching for 18, I'll definitely go and buy 17. Not a big deal. So this is what is very important. Like put apt keywords in your Amazon product detail page. If you want to understand what are the SEO parameters that you should consider for a product launch, I have another video, I've mentioned it below. Please use the same. But make sure that a proper product detail page, and if you're planning to send it to FBA with good pricing and good quality, will give you Amazon choice badge. And Amazon choice badge is not static, like it will be varying, it will be keep on varying. Actually it varies every day also, but majority if you see, no, like you will be there for 3 to 4 days unless and until your return ratio is not hitting down. So you can rank for a particular keyword, so have an eye on your particular product. Maybe you will be ranking for some of the keywords. If you're getting like constantly even without ads like one sale per day, then something is working at the back end. So be happy for it and try to sustain this particular badge by delivering good quality products. And in case your product is going to go out of stock, make sure that you're restocking it. If you want me to cover any other interesting topic like this, do mention in the comment box and I'll be happy to take it forward. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you are liking, sharing the video, and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. If you want to kickstart your Amazon business from the comfort of the home with minimum investment and with minimum technical knowledge, I invite you for my free masterclass program. The masterclass program link is along with this video. So you can go and check my masterclass. So this is the link. And once you come to this link, there will be a free video presented by me where you will be learning how you can kickstart your Amazon business. I would have shared how you can do product research, how you can figure out supplier, and some case studies also. Do watch out and book a call with our client success advisor if you want us to help you in kickstarting your Amazon business and take it forward. Thank you.